Okay, hi everyone. So let's start by today's evening slides. We introduce our name and metric number. So I will start first. My name is NORFAZIL SYAZWAHAZWANI BINTI SUFATAN and my metric number is 207860.
My name is and my metric number is 207727. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Dinesh Ravi. My metric number is 207361. Thank you.
Okay, hi, my name is Muhammad Afif HAZALIL and my metric number is 207749. Okay.
Hi, my name is RIDWANA binti ROSZAIMI and my matrix number is 207580. NAA'IRAH?
My name is NAA'IRAH and my matrix number is 2090.
Alright.
Hi, my name is Lim Susim and my metric number is 205365.
Hi, my name is NAREEN and my matrix number is 206766.
Everyone has introduced themselves. So our topic is to find the news about the technology. So I will start first. So I will share my screen. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Alright, so I choose this news. Okay, this is from suyachinshaw.com. Okay, so this news is by Alexander Wong. Okay, at 2:13 p.m. on 17 November 2020. So the title is Huawei Pay now available in Malaysia. So what is Huawei Pay? Okay, so Huawei Pay has specialties, which is Huawei use a device-specific token, okay, instead of a bank number to handle payments. And it's also secure because Huawei says that our bank card details is not stored in our device, okay, or any Huawei server, so it won't be shared with the merchants, okay. And then here is the list of the supported Huawei device, okay. As we can see here, for examples is Huawei Mate 20, Huawei Mate 10, okay. And where we can use this Huawei Pay, okay, for in Malaysia, for fashion you can use it in Armani, Giordano, okay, Calvin Klein, okay. And then for food and beverage you can use it in KFC, McDonald's, okay, Dunkin Donuts. And for beauty and cosmetic you can use it in Sephora, the Face Shop, and so on here, okay, for groceries and also sports and others, okay. Apart from Malaysia, Huawei Pay also are able in Singapore, Thailand, Russia, Pakistan, and of course the main country is China. Alright, so that is the recent technology from Huawei, which is Huawei Pay. Alright, so I choose this technology news because, as we know, Huawei is been a large what I can say is like a famous one, okay, instead of iPhone. So Huawei is a famous Android, and also now it is available in Huawei Pay. So I think people should aware about it. Alright, so I will pass to next person. Thank you. That's all from me.
Opinion I choose for this section is Alexa developers app to translate cat news by Christina Friedler. She's November. So how this app works is the sound and try to identify the meaning of the sound. So the owner of the cat also helps to label the translation creating a database for the AI software to learn from. There are only few phrases in this app, vocabulary such as feed me, I'm angry, and leave me alone. Okay, so since each cat's meow is unique and tailored to its owner, with some more vocal than others, so instead of having generic database, cat sound, the apps differ with each individual by recording and labeling sounds, the AI and machine learning software can better understand each individual cat's voice. Okay, so the more it is used, the more accurate it will be. The eventual aim is to develop a smart collar. So this collar will translate your cat's meow instantly and a human voice will speak through the collar. Okay, so this app available on both Google Play Store and Apple's App Store. Of there are mixed reviews with several users complaining of error, but others were positive, and the app an average rating of 4.3 on Google Play Store. So I don't share I just stop it because it's interesting. Never heard about this app. So anyone that at home can try to install this app and try whether it is working or not. I think that's all for me. Thank you.
About South Korea's hypertube train reaches speed over 621 miles per hour, which is actually equal to 1000 kilometer per hour during a test. This news actually published by unilet.com and published on 13 November 2020 and right by Hannah Smith. The Korean Railway Research Institute said that this train actually reached speed around 633 miles per hour during a test last week. This speed is actually speed of equal to the speed of commercial aircrafts around the world. So they are trying to state that this train is now currently able to travel speed that a commercial aircraft can travel. This hypertube train uses a system called hyperloop. It's a tunnel where a train can move in a vacuum, so there is no external pressure or external forces to reduce the speed of the train. Actually, this achievement beats their nearest competitors, Japanese bullet train, which currently operating for public transportation, and this train actually travels around 200 miles per hour. The KRRI also stated that this train will reduce the traveling time more than half. For example, you can actually train traveling time for Seoul to Boston is 3.5 hours. Sorry. If you use this train, we can travel just in 30 minutes. So you can see the difference between the time where this train will help us to reduce more time to use for the traveling. This train will be released in year 2024. And the reason for me to choose this train is because after this train released, I think it will become one of the major transport system in the world. So it's important to we all know the current and smartest way to travel. That's it. Thank you.
I cite this news from the News Straits Time and by Bots team at November 13, 2020. Okay, the topic is about iPhone 12 series reach Malaysian shores. Okay, do you know that the much awaited iPhone 12 series are officially available in Malaysia starting today at that time at all authorized Apple distributors and telco partners. Basically, the news is all about the ability or the effectiveness of the iPhone 12 compared to compared to its predecessor. So the iPhone 12 comes from four designs, which is iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro Max and iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, for the iPhone 12, it used the model of OLED displays with a peak brightness of 1200 nits, which will enable the users to see the screen better outdoors. So when it have the ability to have the ability of resolution at outdoors better. So, and all four models feature a new wide camera with a faster f/1.6 aperture, which allows more light to enter the sensor, which will increase their low light performance. So this iPhone also possess night vision and deep fusion for better detail available on all cameras. So this news is just to talk about the benefits of iPhone 12 and from its predecessor. So why I choose this news, because it will enable us to be inspired by the company of Apple, because it has the ability to produce such technology that could use 5G technology. Okay, I think that's all from me.
This is an article about space energy, how space technology can help us on Earth. EAC itself, which stands for ESA itself, which stands for European Space Agency, published on 12 March on 2014. They state that why the space technology is very important is because for energy preservation. Let's take satellite for example. We know that the main function for satellite is to actually monitor which technology such as solar panels or windmills that suits for their place. So with using satellites, we can actually preserve energy, because humans doesn't need to go to that place and then identify themselves. They only have to use satellites. And then the next one is energy storage. And we know that batteries are the most widely used system on Earth to store power. And one of the battery is lion cells. And we know lion cells were quickly used in space application because it has wide mass for batteries. But today, not only lion cells are used in space storage, it is also widely used in application in our daily lives, such as portable devices, to power tools, and even electric vehicles. And this is because, like I mentioned before, that it has high energy storage over mass ratio. In other words, more WH per kg and other types of battery. And the last one is the energy transfer. We know that for energy transfer, we're gonna mention about laser. Lasers are one of that is used in microwaves. So space energies are working on future concepts such as transmitting energy from solar arrays to power remote satellites. So nowadays, software engineering are actually trying to transmit energy from space to Earth. So maybe in a few decades or from in a few years, we might find it possible to transmit energy from space to Earth. So in the article, they state that space technology can help development on Earth, and it is imperative that we work together to resolve our energy issues, as it will help us to sustain our planet. So the reason why, because I choose this article, is because I think it is very important for all of us to know that how does space technology actually benefits us on Earth. I think that is from me. Thank you.
The article is about this article is from BBC News, published by Christina Criddle 2 days ago. This article is about protecting endangered species by detection technology, gunshot detection technology. Okay, so here's the new technology is developed by international conservation charity, the Zoological Society of London, ZSL, and Google Cloud. So the technology is the concept of analyzing the recording of gunshots that help the endangered species around the world by identifying poachers. That is, we can achieve it by easily by this technology called acoustic sensors. So basically, the sensor works by using AI to AI is artificial intelligence. AI is artificial intelligence. Basically, they analyze the audio of gunshots and directly letting the patrols that control poachers' activity. The only thing that need to be done is placing the acoustic sensor in the habitat or safari. So the advantages of this sensor is there are cheaper than camera trap. Camera trap uses a conservation method that are currently used. They track poachers, and it is very limited in the range. It's very limited in the range, and while these acoustic sensors, they can detect events further with 360-degree radius, which is it's quite convenient. So with the information of where the gunshot is heard, they can plan ahead where is the poacher's activity and just deploy the patrols to count them. So the reason why I choose this article is because I think this new technology can help us improve the activities, help us to overcome the activities of poachers that is become a global problem to us, and help save the endangered species. That's all. Thank you for me.
Okay, it's my turn. Can you guys see my screen?
Can.
Yes.
Yes, can.
Okay, I found it from the VOA News on November 16. The title is New Device Put Music in Your Head. And just imagine if you listen to your favorite song and without using your headphone, where you move around in front of a person and a computer in your own sound space, and that definitely all without other people hearing the sounds. And it's possible to occur when a new technology, which is sound beaming from the Novator System and Israel company. So, okay. Before they debut the technology, they let the Associate Press AP to have a chance to test their first version of their sound beamer. And the result is, he described that the device is something from a science fiction movie. That means the sound seems like close to your ears while you are in front or above or behind them. And this device uses a 3D technology and sends ultrawave to create a sound pocket to the listener. And the sound is be heard in the 3D, which is called stereo. And most people feel unbelievable when they try this technology for their first time. And the last is this smaller version of device will be released in the next year for their consumer so we can look forward to it in the next year. So my reason to choose this news is I think this technology will be a new trend in the future, so that we have to concern about it. So that's all for me.
Okay, I'm share my screen now. Okay, can you see?
Yes.
Yeah, I can
Yes.
see.
Okay. Okay, my topic for today is TikTok. TikTok expands features to give parents more control of the teenagers' account. As we all know nowadays, TikTok is one of the biggest social media that is being used by people, and number of TikTokers have increased since its launch by China. So the people love to do TikTok to especially to express their feelings by putting music and acting and dancing and things like that. So TikTok has really been a big trend these days. A lot of people like to do TikTok, but some people don't know that TikTok has a lot of these uh, private videos and uh, over above 18 videos that shouldn't be watched by children. A lot of people take advantage of TikTok to post videos such as um, over 18 content. Okay, over 18 content. So video sharing app TikTok said on Tuesday that it is giving parents more control options, including the ability to monitor what the teenager can view on the platform. TikTok said parents will now be able to decide what content, users, hashtags, or sound their children can search for, as well as decide if the account should be remain public or private. So this one, the TikTok has done a very good initiative by allowing parents to take control their children's accounts, so the children's don't tend to watch all these over 18 videos. So it's like you can control their what are they watching on the TikTok, so they are not affected by all these inappropriate videos, because children are in the age of growing and they tend to absorb whatever they see. So when they watch inappropriate videos, it tend to affect their mental health, and also their mental health, and also they tend to be spoiled. So because of that, the TikTok has done a great effort to allow parents. So now, from now onwards, parents can decide what content the children should watch, whether the TikTok should be private or public, and they can indirectly control the children's mental health and not allowing them to watch inappropriate videos. This news is from By Metro US, posted on November 17, 2020. Okay, thank you. So I'll stop share. Okay.
Alright, so now we will move to the voting season. Okay, so let's start. Okay. So for the first vote is for my topic, which is Huawei Pay. So you can raise your hand if you want to vote. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright. Okay, next is for Aina's news, which is Meow Talk. To translate the meows. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next is DENESH news, which is South Korean hyper tube train. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next is Danial's news, which is iPhone 12. Okay, we have 1 and 2. Alright, next is for IRDINA's news, which is space technology. Okay, 1, 2. Alright, so next is for NAA'IRAH's news, gunshot detection technology. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next is for Susim's news, which is new device put music in your head. Sorry. So 1, 2. Okay. 2. So lastly is for Nareen's news, which is TikTok about parents' awareness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay. Alright. So we need to choose the highest two. So first one will be Huawei Pay, my news. And second one is Narni's news, which is the TikTok, parents' awareness about TikTok. Alright. Okay, that's all from us, Lex group. And hope to see you again. Bye.